Hi, this is going to be my first ever video other than the little snake short I've posted on this channel. I'm going to probably be a more prominent, well, not prominent, it's mainly going to be gaming stuff is what I'm trying to say. So, today we'll be playing Arsenal. If you want to recommend a game, I'll check it out if I can play it. Anyway. God, he just obliterated me. Yeah, I'm not exactly good at this game, but I try my best. Is this monkey business? Is that why they're... Yep. I need to get a better gun. I'm not good with this weapon. But this one I might be able to deal with. Took him out. That was kind of smooth, even though I did die. Yeah, I'm sorry if I don't talk enough. It's just sometimes it's a little hard to talk, and can't really think of things to say. Yes, I was able to get a nice little thing off. That will be nice. Let's keep going. Oh, get over here. Dang it, I couldn't reach him. And I dislike that. Oh, we're supposed to be picking these up. Now I see. Anyway, no, how dare you shoot at me. I need to keep moving though. Give me people to shoot at, game. Oof. He got bullied. How did he... I was behind him, wasn't I? I'm concerned how he shot me. Okay, that was instant death. Alright, let's try and... God, what is it? Oh, there's Monkey Man. I don't know what Monkey Man does. All I know is that he exists. Wait, this is the most... I hate this gun so much. God. But, yeah, if there are other games you want to do, just recommend. My God, they're everywhere. But just recommend them, and I'll take a peek and see if I can get it. Anyway. Ooh. Got immediately shut down after getting those kills. Let's keep collecting these bananas. Oh, these are pretty cool bananas. Oof! Took him out. Her out. Keep moving. I'm pretty much assuming their gender is based on, like, the gender of the skin they're using. I don't know whether or not... Yeah, I probably shouldn't have to classify that. God, my God! This man just took me out. Yes, it will change a lot. Damn it, I could have killed him there. Alright. Dust Storm I like. Let's do standard 2 teams. Oh, it might be a 3-way tie. I don't know what happens there. Does it just make it? Alright. I will. Let me check. No, I can't. Dang it, I'm broke.
Get ready to get locked and loaded.
Yeah, I do have the movie man thing. I'm trying to get enough to get another flare case and hope to get the murderous child. God, no one died there. Ooh. God, that noob just took me out. Anyway. There we go. Keep moving. Where was he? God. Anyway. But yeah, and if you liked the video, just please subscribe. If not, you can just leave a dislike. Yeah, words aren't hard. Oh, he was waiting, wasn't he? I'm just gonna... My god, I just tried to peek and he just said no. My god, there were other people shooting at you. How did he hit me from there? God. That was just like sniping. Yeah, and also I'm sorry if I go silent sometimes. I'm not exactly good with like talking when I'm gaming, because I'll just go silent because I try and focus. Not that I can't, that's why I'm kind of going after YouTube. It gives me something to talk about while I game. Oh, that was a perfect shot and I got canceled. Angie. Anyway. Fear me? Oh. Anyone in here? Oh, there's people out here. Oh, I just got bullied by Tom, Jerry, Banana. Oh my god, I'm just getting instantly killed. Yes. Took him out. Let's keep moving. Input. Let's keep moving. Is it... Hello, comrade? What is that noise? Oh, it's a revved, minigun. How did I miss every shot just then? Oh. God. Anyway, let's... No! Wait, did I still... No! I could have gotten a backstab. Oh my god, he just spammed into that doorway. Let's go down here. No, I'm trying to get a kill, people! Please! Anyway.
See, that's what happens when you're not.
Oh my god! Got immediately backstabbed. I mean, Dragunov's better than... I'm better with the Dragunov than the M14. Dragunov is a lot less precision-based, and I'm not that good with precision weapons. Oh my god! Oh my god, he was so close to... Oh, yes! That counted. GG. I always turn on caps lock accidentally, and then I forget to turn it off because I don't realize I have it on. I want to know what this coastal map is. Guess we're going into Tucson then. Alright. I'm really close to level 40. I mean 41. I didn't even know I was that high of a level in this game. But yeah.
In a world where Roblox carnage happens.
By the way, you can go into here. Oh wait, is this... Oh wait, that's on the other side. This isn't the place, I don't believe. There's an area where you can go in and it gets you a kill effect if you do a little bit of parkour. Or not that good. Oh, I got mowed down by that guy. Is it... Used to be right here. Oh yeah, see? You go through that door and then you drop down, go through there. Get you some stuff. Wait, is there any... Interesting. Anyway, let's keep going. Hey. Oh my god. The average school child with an M1 assault rifle. Is that? No, that was a submachine gun, not an M1 assault rifle. It's still, you get the basic joke. Yes. Oh, it's the MPK5. Yeah, you still get the joke, so yeah. Anyway, let's keep going. Anyone over here? Hola? Why did my heal? That angers me. Oh, that was close. I was real close. Like, I'm not good at this game by any means, but I still have fun playing it, and I get really excited when I'm on the leaderboard. And it's not really about winning, it's about having fun. Oh my god, I just got lasered from behind. Let's... Alright, through this door there should be... Yeah, and we can take... Perfect. Oh my god! Got instantly taken down. Take him out. Yeah, I'm not good at big group fights. I'm better on when I'm kind of 2v1ing maybe, or 1v1ing. Like, I can somehow handle myself. I wouldn't consider myself good at this game by any means, but I would say I'm pretty good. Oh, that's contradictory. I would say I'm okay. Anyway, I'm going to call that video here. Hope you guys enjoyed, and that's it.